Good evening, everybody. This is Calvin Butler, the commercial loan guy. I want to welcome y'all to another broadcast of us going over what it takes to get approved for a commercial loan. Okay, so let me start sharing my screen real quick. Give me a second. All right. So today we're going to be going over what it takes to get approved for a commercial loan, and we're going to be specifically talking about our one of our lending partners, ROK Financial. So we're going to go over what it takes to get approved with ROK Financial in any type of business loan with them. Okay, if you all want to go to my Linktree business profile where you can access all of our lenders and all of our lending partners at linktree.ee that /FCFINC. I'll put the link in underneath this video so y'all will be able to click on it and go right to it. But it's the first choice financial is our business profile on Linktree. And from here, you can access everything. You can access, everything from our investment loans with real estate investments. You can access the startup business loans. You can access the SBA loans. All of it. Okay, from right here. But today we're going to be specifically talking about ROK Financial and how to get approved with ROK Financial. What you need to do to qualify for a business loan with ROK Financial. Okay, I'm going to click on it. This is my ROK Financial landing page. Now, in order to get approved for pretty much mostly any type of business loan, really, there are certain things that you're going to need. Okay, ROK Financial is one of the more lenient ones where you can get a business loan with them. ROK only requires 3 months in business, just 3 months in business. There are a lot of commercial loans, brokers and SBA brokers that require 1 year in business. Some require 6 months, but a lot of them require 1 year in business. ROK, however, only requires 3 months in business. You can qualify for our top financing option with as little as 3 months in business. Okay. ROK also only requires $5,000 in monthly gross sales. That means your business has to show that it has at least $5,000 per month coming into your business bank account. And you're going to have to show your last 3 months bank statements. If you've been in business for 3 months, you're going to have to show your last 3 months bank statement showing that you have that type of income coming in. Now, you're also going to have to show your tax returns. You're going to have to provide 2 years tax returns showing, but if you've only been in business for 3 years, for 3 months, I'm sorry, you won't necessarily have to provide 2 years tax returns. Okay. So, but the minimum revenue to qualify for financing options with ROK Financial is $5K per month or $60,000 in annual gross sales. Okay. Now, no minimum FICO score. Now, just about everybody says that, but I'm gonna tell you right now, you can be in the mid fives and still get approved with ROK, but it would help if you had a little bit more revenue coming in. If you're in that, mid fives, 550, 560, somewhere around there, ideally they want you to be above 600, 600, 650. And if you're in the sevens or above, you're great. I mean, you're gold. There's you're pretty much done. So if you've got these things in place, okay, you have a business that you have a active business license and you've been in business for at least 3 months, and you can show 3 months bank statements with your business bank account. You're bringing in at least $5,000 plus monthly gross sales. Okay, $5,000 a month for at least for those 3 months that you've been in business, and really no minimum FICO score, but you really should have at least a 550 to 600. Okay. Now with ROK, there's all types of programs that they have. Okay. And ROK is pretty fast. They really do same day funding. They can literally, you can submit your application, turn in all your documents, and get approved and funded in the same day. In the same day. Okay. That's a huge benefit. Okay. Um, Simple application process takes about 15 seconds. You come in here, you put in your information right here. This information right here: name, business name, email address, business phone number, mobile phone number. Um, click this to indicate your credit score. Click what industry you're in, and they cover a lot of industries. A lot of industries: accounting, adult industry, advertising, aerospace. I mean, auto repair, trucking. I mean, everything. Restaurants, car rentals, just about everything you can think of. You can get a business loan for it. Okay, so they have all of that. And then you have your products. The type of loans that they provide is working capital loans, lines of credit, SBA, the factoring or accounts are receivable. Great for brokerage firms and trucking companies and things like that. The commercial real estate, equipment financing, purchase order financing, inventory financing, residential investment property, term loans, MCA, and if you're unsure, you can click that button right there and they'll have someone to speak with you. So basically, you go to our link on ROK, go to the ROK, our financial link, you click on it, put in your information in this little short form right here, you submit it, and then a loan rep or a business financing rep will contact you to go over your options, and they're probably going to request that you send in your documents, like your last 3 months bank statements, and just stuff like that. And they're probably going to want to pull a soft pull credit report so they can get your credit scores, get your tri-merge credit scores. And once they get that, they can tell you if you approve within an hour or two, literally within an hour or two. And then once you got all your documents in, they can get you your funding hours after that. So really, you can get all this done in one day. So that's it. I just wanted to come to you all and let you all know about ROK Financial. Join me for our next broadcast. We'll be talking about Cardiff, which is another lending partner of FC Financial. Thank you all again. I appreciate y'all for joining me on this episode of Calvin Butler, the Commercial Loan Guy. Bye, everybody.